The All-Round Master Gully Cleaner allows gullies to be completely machine cleaned without any physical effort. Fast, adaptable, and cheap. Using magnet technology, the manhole cover is lifted and swung aside. The cleaning of the gully then takes place by means of a rinsing and suction tube which is telescopic and lowered into the gully. Leaves, sand, gravel, and other dirt are vacuumed up and collected in a large container in the machine. Pressure and water are used to dissolve stubborn dirt inside the manhole and around the edges. The dirty water is also vacuumed up and collected inside the machine. Here the water is filtered and can be reused immediately. The machine can be controlled by just one person, operating exclusively from the cab. Cleaning hard-to-reach gullies is also no problem. The whole cleaning device can be moved freely so any obstacle can be circumvented. Fast, adaptable, and cheap cleaning of gullies of all kinds. With the All-Round Master Gully Cleaner and the Schmidt Svingo 200 Plus. The perfect combination.